We're at the start of a new bull market in certain sections of the stock market, and there's a lot of money to be made by those who are ready and organised. These sorts of opportunities only come around a couple of times a decade, so you need to move promptly on this. I've been trading and investing for 25 years, plus I've been educating and guiding thousands of traders for the last 12. And the unfortunate fact is that most people won't grab the opportunity which is in front of us right now. So why is that? They want better returns and they hate to miss out, but many people are fearful of another big market fall and they don't want to lose money. These emotions are natural and they often last for years after the last big crash. So what do the majority do? Well, they wait until everybody agrees that the coast is clear and everything looks positive, and then they jump back into the market, just in time for the next big decline. So they miss the big gains and they arrive just in time to get whacked again, and then later wonder what happened. This is how human emotions work, and it's what drives cycles in the market. So if this has been your experience, I assure you I understand, because it used to be my experience too. It's gut-wrenching. The confusion, the frustration, and the sense of, will I ever get this right? I wanted to give up many times, but financial security was too important for me, so I kept at it, even though there was no one helping me. These days I'm an even more passionate student of the market and spend an enormous amount of time in research to give myself a big edge. I understand the cycles and I use them to advantage and have total confidence in my ability to consistently generate strong profits. The reality these days is that many old investing practices just don't work anymore. And that's why your progress in building wealth is far slower than you need or would like. But there are a few practices that still work brilliantly and always will. You only have to look at the simple business principles that have made Warren Buffett a mega billionaire. So the question is, how do you gain access to the big gains with relative safety? Well, I've produced a free video training series explaining how to trade for cash flow and invest for long-term wealth, which cover the essential principles I've spent a lifetime really understanding. This video series cuts through the massive information out there and gets right to the heart of what you need to know to begin. It's vital you access this free video series now. Go to specialistshareeducation.com.au and just submit your email at the top of the page and I'll send it to you. Folks, as I said, these opportunities come along rarely, so you don't want to miss them. Don't delay. Click the link in the description below and let me show you how to generate cash flow and grow long-term wealth on the share market. If you channel your efforts effectively for the next couple of years, you can set yourself up for life, so it's worth doing.